Once you get the IP address from your printer, and then you can go to your browser and type in the IP address you got from your printer. Just press enter. Okay, now you can see all the information about your printers here, the dashboard. Then the first step I want you to do is go to System here and config.g, click in. And you can see the line 9, M550P double quotation. Then you can see the IP address here. Actually, this one is your printer name, so you can change it. I want to change it to my name. So my name is Kathy, so I put in Kathy. Just remember, do not enter any punctuation or space for your printer name. And just go to upper right, click Save, reset board, yes. My printer name will be Kathy. So let me show you next time. If you open a new browser, and you can just put in Kathy.local. Now you can just successfully connect to your printer.